In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet for beginners. We'll walk through the basics of getting around the Smartsheet interface, setting up your workspace, and creating a simple sheet so you can start managing your work right away. First, open your browser and go to the Smartsheet homepage. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account details. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. This is your main hub, where you can access your recent items, browse workspaces, and jump into different parts of Smartsheet. At the top or side of the screen, look for the main navigation area that's highlighted in the video. Go ahead and click that, then select Notifications. This is where you control how Smartsheet keeps you updated. Take a moment here to check what types of alerts you're getting. You can adjust settings so you only receive notifications that are actually useful, like changes to key sheets or approvals you're waiting on. Getting this right early will help you avoid notification overload later. Next, we'll move into organizing your work. From the navigation, click into the Workspaces section. Workspaces are like folders on steroids. They hold related sheets, reports, and dashboards, and they also control who has access. Click on Workspaces, then choose the highlighted workspace in the video, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. If you're working with a team, this is a good moment to think about who needs view access and who should be able to edit. Inside your workspace, follow the highlight prompts to move into the area where you can create new items. Look for the option that lets you create something new, then choose Table. In Smartsheet, a table is essentially a grid view sheet, like a more powerful spreadsheet. Click on Table to open a brand new sheet. Once your new sheet opens, you'll see a familiar grid with columns and rows. Follow the highlighted clicks in the video to customize it. Start by clicking on the column headers to rename them to something meaningful, like task name, owner, due date, and status. You can click again to change the column type, for example, turning a column into a date field, a drop-down list, or a checkbox. This helps keep your data clean and consistent. As you click through the remaining highlighted areas, you'll see how to add rows, adjust column widths, and interact with cells just by clicking and typing. When you're done setting things up, click the Save icon or use the Save option shown in the highlights so you don't lose your work. By the end of these steps, you've signed in, checked your notifications, opened a workspace, created a new table, and customized your first Smartsheet. From here, you can start entering real data and exploring more advanced features at your own pace.